Dear friends, good morning everyone. I'm sure you all are fine and taking care of yourself and your family. In today's session, we are going to study major characters in detail. Now we'll discuss about the major character in the novel Animal Farm by George Orwell. The major character is Old Major. Old Major is Mr. Jones' prize boar. He gathers all the animals together in the big barn to make a speech. He tells the animals that mankind or human beings and Mr. Jones are the enemy. It is their fault that the animals' lives are miserable. He points out how cruel the men are to the animals, consuming without producing. He says that one day a rebellion will come, the animals will overthrow mankind and live in harmony. Old Major is very intelligent, well respected, an excellent speaker, and an inspiration to the animals. He ends a speech by teaching the animals a song called Beast of England. It is about a time when animals are free and humans are overthrown. He dies shortly after giving his speech, and the other pigs take what they learned from him and create animalism, a set of rules for animals to live by. Now, here I am going to talk about the historical and social context. Um, Old Major is partly based on Karl Marx and Vladimir Lenin. Karl Marx was a German philosopher who lived during the 19th century. His ideas formed the basis of communism. His ideas are collectively known as Marxism, like animalism in the novel. He developed theories on how power structures in society keep people under control. Lenin was a Russian revolutionary who established Marxism in Russia in the early 20th century. Now, we'll discuss about the major character in the novel, that is Napoleon. From the picture itself, you will come to know, you will get the idea about Napoleon, that he was threatening, he was tyrant, he was hypocritical. Napoleon is a threatening and a fierce looking Berkshire bow. He is one of the three pigs that take Old Major's ideas and turn them into animalism, a system of thought that encourages the animals to rebel. He is not a gifted speaker, but is known for getting his own way. He also manages to get the support of the sheep. He encourages them to chant four legs good, two legs bad during debates, preventing others making their points. He takes two little puppies from their mother and brings them up himself. Once they have grown up, he uses them to take control of the farm. After he has done this, he and other pigs start to break the 7 commandments that the animals agreed to live by. He eventually becomes as much of a tyrant or a cruel and oppressive ruler as Mr. Jones ever was, and exploits the other animals. Here, the social and historical context about the Napoleon. Napoleon's character is based on Soviet character Joseph Stalin. Stalin was involved in the Russian Revolution of 1917 and came to rule Soviet Russia after the death of Lenin in 1924. He ruled until his death in 1953. Now, we are going to discuss about Snowball in Animal Farm. From the picture itself, you will come to know, you will get the idea about Snowball. He was brave, he was a good speaker, and he was caring. Snowball is one of the tea pigs who take the teachings of old Major and turn them into a way of thinking called animalism. He is an intelligent and animated pig. He comes up with new ideas and cares about the working animals. His plans and ideas revolve around providing education, a better conditions on the farm. He is also a brave fighter, organizing the animals during the Battle of Cowshed. Napoleon does not like Snowball's ideas and so has him chased off the farm by his guard dogs. We do not see we do not see Snowball after this incident. He is used by Napoleon as a scapegoat. Anything that goes wrong on the farm is blamed on him. Napoleon also convinces the animals that Snowball was never brave during the battle and was actually on Mr. Jones' side. Social and historical context of Snowball. Snowball represents Leon Trotsky. Trotsky was a political theorist, revolutionary, and a leader of the Red Army. After the revolution, he was involved in Russian foreign affairs and policy making. He opposed Stalin's decisions and eventually was forced into exile from the Soviet Union in 1929. He resided in Mexico. He was assassinated by a Soviet agent in 1940. Most of the family members he left in the Soviet Union were arrested and killed. The next major character is Boxer. From the picture, you will get the idea about he was trusting, he was a great worker, but he has limited intelligence. Boxer, a horse, is a tragic hero in the novel. He is hard worker, strong, loyal and caring. He also fights bravely against the humans. Unfortunately, he is too loyal. The pigs take advantage of this and work him until he collapses. Then they sell him to the horse slaughter so that they can buy more whiskey. Whenever something goes wrong, he blames himself and goes to work even harder. His favorite sayings are, Napoleon is always right, and I will work harder. He is the strongest animal and could easily fight off the pigs and dogs. He never does though, as he is too used to taking orders. Now here we will talk about the social and historical relevance of Boxer. Boxer represents the peasant workers of Russia. They were exploited by the Tsar Nicholas II, who ruled from 1894 until his expulsion in 1917. The workers were kept in a position where they never earned enough money to pay for food or accommodation. The revolution of 1917 sought to address this problem but only led to more hardship and starvation under the rule of Stalin. Thank you.